Go.
And this ice is all black and brown, but spots on him. So he has a little bit long tail. So he runs so fast, like. And so the T-Rex goes like.
Ooh.
And so he goes like, and so he runs super fast, like.
Why does he have to run super fast?
For like a T-Rex, for fighting or like.
Fighting, yeah.
Yeah, for like running.
Who does he fight?
He fights the little dinosaur with the golf club on his tail.
Golf club on his tail?
Yeah.
Oh.
And so he has sharp pencil teeth. And so he can run super fast. Catch up.
Can you name all the dinosaurs for me?
T-Rex, Triceratops,
Mm-hmm.
Stegosaurus,
Mm-hmm.
Sauropus,
Mm-hmm.
and dogs. No, not dogs. No dogs.
Okay. What's that one that flies?
Pterodactyl, pterodon,
Mm-hmm.
Ultrasaurus.
Ultrasaurus.
That's all the dinosaurs.
That's all the ones. Okay, I love you.
Everybody,